I think one of the most important things that we've rolled out has focused on our ability to be resilient at the network level. And I'm kind of calling it like SDN 0.1 that we've rolled out. So we kind of now have the ability, because as you can imagine, many of our locations, it's a law enforcement mission. We have almost 45,000 sworn law enforcement officers that are inspecting, people, cargo. We go down an airport, could shut down.
Sure.
People don't get processed correctly, the trade community stops. So many of our sites now operate, maybe primarily over a very high-speed internet connection. If that goes down, we fail to MPLS. If that goes down, at many sites we fail over to a 4G connection, and can maintain operations so that we don't fail over. And this happens seamlessly. The officers don't see anything. Our field operatives that work for the CIO's office don't have to go out and flip cables or anything. And that's been a game changer, because I'm able to now provide a better service to our operators, and that's the most important thing for us.
Yeah, better service to the citizens, right?
Exactly, absolutely. So it's been a huge game changer. I think the other area that we've moved to a lot is our ability to provide a mobility platform that's easy to interface with. And now many of our officers and agents have a device on their belt that they can authenticate back to our systems and actually perform many of the same functions that they were doing at a workstation. So in many cases, this has allowed our officers and agents to get out from behind that workstation and be interfacing directly with the people. Coming off the aircraft, they can query travel documents, see what's going on right there. We can do things at the cargo ports that we never could before. We're pushing out on something called remote operations, which allows us to have an understanding of what's happening at the port, and the cargo containers coming without an officer in every lane anymore, with no decrease in security. But as these technologies roll out, the operators are able to redeploy their people to the law enforcement mission or the inspectional mission. And this helps the Office of Trade as well, because if we provide better services to the trade community, then it just helps across the board. It helps everything from the economy to security. Those are the things that I'm really most proud of that we've done.
Right, getting that workforce